Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get more followers on Instagram Reels easy and quick. First, just open Instagram Reels and after that make sure your account is not private. So just go to privacy and turn it off. And after that just keep scrolling down and keep following people. And that's it, just keep following random people and you will get more followers. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.